Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung VPN not working. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is simply head over to your quick settings and toggle off power saving mode on your device. The other thing that you must do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on apps, tap on your VPN app. Once you're inside your VPN app, what you'll have to do is tap on manage app if unused and toggle it on your device, tap on battery and then set it to unrestricted on your VPN app. The other thing that you can do is simply head back over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, what you can do is search for reset, hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on reset, after which you'll have to head over to reset again, and from here you'll be able to reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth along with your mobile network settings and try again. If it still does not work, what you can do is simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.